Josh was a brilliant security engineer at a university. He had a master's degree in computer science and a CISSP certification. He could spot a vulnerability faster than most of us could even log in. So when the IT manager position opened up, leadership promoted Josh almost immediately. Great, right? The thing is, Josh had zero leadership training, no experience managing people. Within weeks, he found himself in meetings that didn't make sense, navigating team conflicts he didn't know how to handle, and trying to motivate a group of people who suddenly looked to him not just for technical answers, but for direction, clarity, and support. And that's when he realized being technically brilliant wasn't enough. Leading a high-performance team required a completely different skill set. Sound familiar? More details on that in a moment. Technical skills solve problems, but people skills build careers. Compassionate Geek online on-demand training empowers IT teams to be easy to work with and create positive customer experiences. That means fewer conflicts, happier users, and a more successful IT team. Give your team the skills they need on their schedule. Visit CompassionateGeek.com to get started today. There's a link to the course in the notes just below. Josh's story isn't unusual. A lot of us in IT get promoted into leadership roles because we're good at what we do. We troubleshoot, write code, architect systems, and solve tough problems, and we've worked hard to build credibility through technical competence. But here's the truth. Technical skills alone don't make you a great leader. In my book, The Compassionate Geek, I share 5 principles that are essential, not just for serving customers, but for building strong, high-performing teams. These principles are technical competence, compassion, empathy, good listening skills, and treating others with dignity and respect. Let's break that down. Of course, technical competence matters. Your team needs to know you understand the work they do, but you don't need to be the smartest person in the room or a master of various technologies. Your job is to support the people who are. Compassion and empathy, well, they're not soft skills, they're survival skills in leadership. They help you respond thoughtfully when things go sideways, whether it's a missed deadline or a burned-out team member. Good listening, that's one of the most underrated leadership tools out there. It builds trust, it uncovers problems before they explode, and it helps people feel seen and valued. And dignity and respect, that's non-negotiable. It's about creating an environment where people are treated like adults, where different voices are welcome, and where every person knows they matter. So what does this look like day to day? It looks like regular one-on-ones, not just status updates, but real check-ins about goals, career growth, and well-being. It looks like setting clear expectations, celebrating wins, giving feedback early and often, encouraging learning, and maybe most importantly, checking in with yourself. If your team's struggling, ask, is there something I'm doing or not doing that's contributing to this? Remember, people don't do what you say, they do what you do. That's the self-awareness and intentionality piece, and it's huge. Now, if your team is remote or hybrid, your leadership has to be even more intentional. You won't have hallway chats or body language cues. You must communicate clearly, show up consistently, and make space for genuine connection. Here's the bottom line. Leading high-performance teams is about more than hitting KPIs. It's about creating a culture where people do great work and actually enjoy doing it. If you've found yourself in a leadership role like Josh without a playbook, you're not alone, and you're not stuck. With awareness, intentionality, and the 5 principles from the Compassionate Geek, you can become the kind of leader your team needs. So stay curious, stay human, and keep learning. Because when you lead with heart, skill, and purpose, you don't just lead a high-performing team, you build a workplace people are proud to be a part of. Be sure to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. Want more? You'll find tips and training on IT customer service, teamwork, and leadership at CompassionateGeek.com.